Specs. 24 packets in a bag and is proudly made in the United States of America, USA. Ease of use. Simply drop the pre-measured cleaning pack into the water with or without stainless steel media and begin tumbling. Versatility. Works best with the Frankford Arsenal Rotary Tumblers but can be used in any wet tumbler. Convenient. Pods come in a resealable bag for easy storage and transport and keep the pods from drying out when not in use. Innovative. Quick and effective crystallized, water-soluble formula makes brass cleaning a breeze. The quick and effective way to clean your brass is finally here with the Frankford Arsenal brass cleaning packs. These tabs are conveniently prepackaged and measured for cleaning 500 pieces of brass. You can also take pride in knowing that your cleaning solution is made right here in the USA. This reloading cleaning solution was designed for use with the Frankford Arsenal Rotary Tumbler, but can be used with a variety of wet reloading tumblers. Top reviews from the United States. Old brass like new. I have to say I was very dubious about this product when I ordered it. The previous positive reviews that I had read about it gave me the decision to try it out, and I am glad I did. I had cleaned around 300 rounds the night before and they were clean but a little dingy. When I used one of these pods in a batch of around 450 rounds, I was amazed when they had done cleaning. I ran both batch S for 2.5 hours and was shocked when the brass came out like new, no scuffs or dull marks on it at all, and the primer pockets were a lot cleaner. I highly recommend these packs and am sure you won't be disappointed if you purchase them. I will buy more for the future. A plus seller and fast shipping. Well pleased with these pods. The bottom half of the picture shows before and the top half shows after. The picture doesn't really do it justice, just a small sample.